This is Revmichellehopkins. My friends, I present to you the U.S. Pacific Ocean Hydroacoustic Behemoth. It is the hydroacoustic system that stretches all the way from the Arctic throughout the Pacific Ocean, on both sides, both coasts, all the way down to the Antarctic. My friends, I present to you the U.S. Atlantic Ocean Hydroacoustic Leviathan. It too extends all the way from the Antarctic to the Arctic. As you can see, it's located throughout nearly every oceanic rift in the Atlantic Ocean. I find that extremely interesting. I have to ask myself, why, when I know that hydroacoustic TTAs, especially those that specialize in infrasound, can cause massive earthquakes, why they would be placed on nearly every Atlantic oceanic rift, all the way up here to the Arctic. In Job 40 we read, "Do you have an arm like God's? Can your voice thunder like his? Look at the behemoth. What strength he has in his loins, what power in the muscles of his belly. His tail sways like a cedar. The sinews of his thighs are close knit. His bones are tubes of bronze, his limbs like rods of iron." Isaiah 27 tells us, "In that day, the great and terrible day of the Lord will punish with his sword, his fierce, great, and powerful sword, Leviathan, the gliding serpent, Leviathan, the coiling serpent. He will slay the monster of the sea." This is Revmichellehopkins. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.